What's the meaning of buccaneering? Buccaneering. Buccaneering.
Buccaneering. Buccaneering. The term buccaneering refers to the adventurous and often reckless behavior associated with pirates or privateers, who engage in maritime raiding and looting. The result of buccaneering is typically the acquisition of wealth or valuable goods through force, often at the expense of innocent victims. While historically romanticized, buccaneering is considered a form of piracy and illegal activity under international law. Today, the term can also be used more broadly to describe an aggressive or bold approach to business or other pursuits.